Welcome to another video on how to modify fence panel styles. As in the other videos, we concentrate on wood fencing at this point for Fence Genius, and we hope to bring in ornamental iron and vinyl in the future. But currently, as of May of 2022, it's all wood. Now we have four primary styles that we work with. We do horizontal lattice top, we do vertical lattice top, we do arch, including concave and convex. And in this video, we'll talk about making board pattern type 3-rail or 2-rail panels. So let's get right down to it here. So if we look at the previous job I was working in here, we can go to the panel style tab and bring in some additional panel styles that are rail type panels. I've got one down here, but let's go add some panel styles. So we go to the catalog, and we might have the common dog ear type panels, but I'm going to jump forward to page 7, and you can see that just a lot of different 3-rail panels. They're all variants of the initial one. You can change tip styles at any point in time. But then if you go to page 8, currently the way the catalog is, you see kind of some more pattern styles that we can do, or that you can do with the software. I'll select some of those and save them. And so, as with the other styles, you can go in and edit any one of these to change fence board widths, fence board lengths, what have you. First thing, as usual, I'm going to clone the panel style so I don't lose my original thumbnail. And then I'm going to go in to edit it. And I can do things here like make them all the same gap size, change the gap width to 3/8 there. I can go down and maybe I want to make the dog ear bigger on it. I can change the board width, maybe make it 2.5 inches, so I'm ripping them down. If I do that, I got to make sure I do the other mating one, or mirror image one. So that's 2.5. And maybe I want to move the rail heights. I can bring it down some. And I might want to edit the board height some. So you can do any of those kinds of things. You can also, choose different boards tip styles, working through here. And if you like the panel, then you can save it. Another thing you can do is with the rails, we have the ability to, tell the system that the top rail will follow the top. The middle rail can either follow the top and stay horizontal and parallel with the top, or it can follow the center, and then it will always split the difference. And then the bottom rail, you probably want following the bottom. Anyway, so let's see what this looks like in our design. It's kind of a strange looking panel, but there's different people out there like different things. So this one thing about Fence Genius is it gives you the ability to do incredible modifications and see what they look like. Well, there it is. That is in our job. Every piece and part of this system is data, so everything is manufacturable in the pre-manufacturing workflow. And as you can see, it's following the contour of the land and built for this specific job site. Anyway, the bill of materials also has all the materials for it. And thanks again for tuning in and checking this video out, and happy fence building.